Hey guys, this is Elliot. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, let me briefly talk about Docker if the concept of Docker is a little rough on your side using the Game Boy analogy. By the way, if you need more hands-on tutorial, I have a full Docker tutorial playlist, so I'll put the link down in the description section. And this video is more about just talking on a high-level concept. So this is the Game Boy device, which is one of my old favorite game player before the smartphone era. And then say you play Super Mario game. I like the sound, right? And then say you're bored and then you can just swap the cartridge like this. So if you look at the device, back of the device, you can always like swap the cartridge like this. Then you can play different game like this. So I think it's Power Rangers, right? Yeah. Nowadays, they use different game device like Nintendo Switch, and then there's actually a bunch of SD cards, but idea is the same. If you want to play different game, just swap the cartridge and play different game. And if you're a developer in modern day software engineering industry, then Docker lets you do exact same thing like this. Whenever you need to work on different operating system version, like say Ubuntu 20 with TensorFlow installed, you can do it. And then for whatever reason, you need to change your operating system. You don't have to reinstall everything from scratch. Just download Docker image, which is the same thing as game cartridge like this. And the good thing about it is actually everything is software, so you don't even need to swap the images or game cartridge. Instead, once you download one of these images, you can create entire device like Nintendo, and then they call it Docker container. And then now it all makes sense. The Docker icon has a bunch of containers, and then you can create multiple containers like this as long as your computer's RAM can handle. So where do you download all these images for free? Well, go to Docker Hub, and the people have already shared their Docker images with the development environment already installed on it. The behavior of the system using this Docker image is same for every single device as long as this device has Docker engine installed on it. And in practice, I actually offer some robotics courses, and then I use Docker to share my development environment. Then the students can use this exact same environment as I do. And by now, you might be asking them, what's the difference between the virtual machine and the Docker? Well, the virtual machine virtualizes entire hardware like CPU and RAM and so on, and then guest operating system is residing on hypervisor, which is very slow. However, Docker only virtualizes the operating system, while Docker container will let your Docker application directly access to your real hardware, so it's much lighter and faster. So really, no reason not to use Docker. That's all about Docker. And like I said earlier in this video, if you need more hands-on tutorial, I'll put the link down in the description section for the full Docker tutorial. And if you think this video is helpful, at least on your side, please like the video and then subscribe my channel. This is Elliot. I'll see you in the next video.